Hello again. In this video, I'll solve 11 questions circle theorems. I'll show you the mark scheme. How do you get every single mark? Some students get the final answer correct. They still don't get the full mark, so I'll show you how to get the full marks. I'll show you the assessor's comment. It's important to know what the assessors see and what do they comment. So the assessor comment will show us what mistakes most students do. Let's start question 1. This is the question here. I'll just draw it myself so we can manipulate the shape. So this is the same thing. I just did it myself. So the question asks you to find the size of angle BCO. Now the problem is some students don't know even what's angle BCO. To know the angle, connect these letters B to C to O. So connect it BCO. And the angle is the middle letter. It's C, so it's this angle here. So now we know the angle. How do we solve it? Now, from the circle theorems, we know if you have such shape, these are called tangents, and that is given in the question. They told you BA and CA are tangents. So tangents make 90 degrees angle here and there. So this angle is 90, that angle is 90. Now, how is this helpful? This will help us, I'll show you in a second. Now, the other important thing we know, we did it in the circle theorems, this angle and this angle make 180. So this angle here, I meant this angle and this angle is 180. So this angle here is 140. You can just directly do 180 minus 40, it gives you this angle. If you don't know why, then you can look at this shape. The four-sided shape is 360. So if you do 360 minus 40 minus 90 minus 90, it's going to give you this angle, which is 140. You look at this shape here. X plus y is always 180. So this is 140 here. Now, if we just focus on this nice triangle here, triangle angles add up to 180. So if this is 140 and this is a radius, and this is also a radius, so these two are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Knowing that it's isosceles, we know we can just do 180 minus 140, which is 40, and this 40 is this plus this. So that means each one of them is 20, because just 40 divided by 2. Now we got the answer. Angle BCO is 120. Now let's look at the assessor's comment. Now, what's important here on all this, just read it yourself, pause the video. What's important is that many students, they don't know the angle, just like we said, and many students, they don't know this is 90 degrees. So this is important to know. Now, what other important thing is, you must realize this, let's just bring the shape back, this here, OB, is equal to this side because they are both radius. If you don't know, you will get this wrong. So these are most important things to get. And that's all for this question. Let's go to question 2.